Muscle Gun Carbon. Alleviate muscle tension, tightness, and pain. The Muscle Gun Carbon handheld deep tissue body massager uses high power, repetitive strokes to stimulate blood flow and alleviate muscle tension, tightness, and pain, and can help reach trigger points that a human pair of hands cannot. ITIS Deep Tissue Massage Therapy Redefined. Ultra-quiet brushless motor technology. The Muscle Gun Carbon electric muscle massager gun, using state-of-the-art noise reduction brushless motor technology, produces only 55 dB of noise at maximum output. For comparison, this is the equivalent of an electronic toothbrush and operates in almost near silence, providing a discreet but effective massage experience from our award-winning deep tissue massager gun. Variable speed control plus 300-minute battery life. The Muscle Gun Carbon massage gun is scientifically calibrated for optimal muscle recovery and is the perfect sports massage gun. Our industrial-grade motor, high-performance proprietary gearbox, are both engineered and calibrated to deliver between 1,400 to 3,200 strokes per minute across your body. This speed and precision combined increases blood flow and circulation to ensure the most effective deep tissue massage recovery solution. For custom massage attachments, included with the Muscle Gun Carbon are our bespoke custom massage attachments, our firm ball, fork, flat dampener, and bullet, all specifically engineered to treat individual muscle groups and deliver the most effective deep tissue massage therapy unique to you. Also included is our robust travel case, enabling ease of portability of your Muscle Gun device and all its accessories. Optimum results with voice-guided app. Included with each Muscle Gun is our dedicated innovative wellness app, Deep by Muscle Gun. Developed by our in-house team of therapists to deliver bespoke, guided exercises and recovery techniques, it is the perfect accompaniment to complete your Muscle Gun deep tissue massage experience. TheraGun Pro. Powerfully quiet, proprietary brushless QX150 motor with Quiet Force technology delivers powerful, professional-grade deep muscle treatment as quiet as average massage devices, 300 minutes. Continuous battery life includes 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, 150 minutes each. Charge one while the other is in use and continuously swap for all-day runtime. Customizable speed range and OLED screen. Monitor current speed and force on OLED screen. Access any speed between 1750 to 2400 ppm via TheraBody app. Rotating arm and ergonomic multi-grip allows you to hold the device in a number of ways while reducing strain on your hands and arms. Smart app integration connects to app via Bluetooth to run personalized wellness routines based on your behaviors and preferences. TheraGun Mini. Quiet for any setting. Proprietary brushless QX35 motor with Quiet Force technology allows powerful yet ultra-quiet muscle treatment anytime, anywhere. Ultra-portable, never-before-seen balance between power and size, making it a convenient option for getting TheraGun quality relief on the go. Includes soft case. Battery life, with up to 150 minutes of sustained runtime, Mini sets the standard for true portability and is there for you right when you need it. Ergonomic grip. Smooth, ergonomic grip is easy to hold while reducing strain on your hands and wrists. 3 scientifically calibrated speeds, 1750, 2100, and 2400 percussions per minute, each scientifically calibrated to deliver greater therapeutic benefits for the body. TheraGun Elite. QX65 motor with Quiet Force technology, proprietary brushless motor and advanced sound insulation delivers powerful deep muscle treatment quieter than the average massage device. 120 minutes battery life. Internal lithium-ion battery offers double the battery life of previous generations for up to 2 hours of continuous use. Customizable speed range and OLED screen. Monitor current speed and force on OLED screen. Access any speed between 1750 to 2400 ppm via TheraBody app. Ergonomic multi-grip provides a number of ways to comfortably hold the device without strain on hands and arms. Smart app integration connects to app via Bluetooth to run personalized wellness routines based on your behaviors and preferences. SportNear Massage Gun. 6 hours of battery life. Internal 48.24 WHLG battery cells. The SportNear Massage Gun offers double the battery life of other brand massage gun for 6 hours of continuous use. Low noise. The SportNear Muscle Massage Gun uses the newest noise reduction technology that it only reaches 35 to 45 dB, quiet enough so you can use it at home, gym, office, etc. 5 speed levels to meet most of your needs. The deep tissue massage gun has 5 speed levels from 1200 to 3200 RPM, from low, medium to high, bringing different intensity massage experience. 6 replaceable massage heads. The percussion massage gun offers 6 massage heads to help users relax all parts of the body. Great for back massage, neck, shoulders, arms, legs, thighs, muscle massage. Lightweight and portable, the massage gun for athletes only 1.7 pounds with lightweight design with carrying case, simplifying storage and transportation. Sonic handheld percussion massage gun. A deep and powerful massage rejuvenates sore tissue and aching muscles. With a powerful motor that delivers powerful high penetration, the Sonic handheld massager is designed to send waves of relaxation and relief throughout your body. The Sonic boosts athletic performance when incorporated into pre-workout warm-ups and post-workout recovery routines, and boosts everyday mobility and flexibility via trigger point massage therapy. For joint pain relief, myofascial release, and sore muscle relief. Easy to use. A ready, set, Pro Easy Start guide will have you up and running within minutes. No complicated manuals or heavy equipment needed for the portable self-professional massager tool. The front LED panel features the on-off switch and 16.8V charging port. The vibration level switch is located right where your index finger rests on the Sonic Power Massager for simple and handy usage. Super quiet and portable. The best massage gun for athletes. Take your percussion massager to the gym or sports club. Convenient single-handed operation with a comfortable grip, rechargeable lithium-ion battery with extra long 3 to 6 hour runtime and super quiet brushless motor makes on-the-go chiropractic massager therapy a breeze. 5 levels of intensity plus 8 massage heads. Choose the speed that best suits your need, and change up the massager's head to more precisely target different body parts and muscle groups. Incorporate a low-pressure 20 Hz, moderate 30 Hz, strong 35 Hz, intense 40 Hz, or powerful 45 Hz percussive massage experience into your rapid recovery routine. A heavy-duty construction keeps it stable during all speeds. 100% satisfaction lifetime warranty plus guiding angels. Not everyone can afford a personal trainer, but at LifePro, we are here to make it easy to be held accountable and supported throughout your journey by offering our guiding angels, real, life support, free access to our online video library, plus an unparalleled 100% lifetime warranty. Fusion FX Heated Percussion Massage Gun. Heated massage for immediate relief. Both heat and massage provide rapid relief to sore muscles and aching joints. With our built-in heated option, the muscle massager fuses these two highly effective elements together for an intensely powerful deep tissue massage. Use the included heated attachment to ease tension throughout the body, soothing hard-to-reach areas, reducing sore muscles, relaxing stiff joints, and calming muscle spasms. Alleviate chronic pain and long-term injuries. If you have chronic pain, you've probably learned to live with it, masking your discomfort with a regular regimen of painkillers. But what if you could fix the underlying issue? Through the combined strength of heat and massage, the massage gun increases blood flow to problem areas and reduces pain and inflammation, relieving chronic pain, healing old damage, and accelerating recovery from an acute injury. Shorten your recovery time. After an injury or workout, the body repairs itself, but slowly. Our percussion massager intense vibrations wake up muscles throughout your body, triggering myofascial release and enhancing your body's ability to regenerate cells and repair itself, so you need less downtime between workouts. This muscle gun comes with 5 intensity levels so you can adjust your speed to suit your neigh. 5 speeds plus 5 heads plus 3 bonus modes. In addition to adjustable speeds and targeted massage heads, the Fusion FX's 3 pre-programmed modes let you further optimize your recovery. Choose from heated, or variating, continuous, or increasing speeds to hit your sweet spot. Plus, the included pause button lets you put your session on hold, then pick right back up where you left off.